By the end of this short video, you're going to understand the difference between the test version of Bubble and the live version of Bubble. Bubble has two versions of your app. It has the development version where you're going to be building your app, testing it, and then it has the live version that users will actually be using. So the difference is mainly in the databases that you're going to be using. In Bubble, you have a live database and a test database. So right here on the right side, I can switch back and forth. And what this means is you can have your test app with test users, test data, and everything that is not actually live and shouldn't be on your live app. And then on your live version, you have everything that you have real users using, you have their real data. And this allows you to test your app with test data. So that's really helpful and a really helpful part of switching between your test version and your live version of your app. Now, the other thing that's different is the actual app itself can be different. So you have two different versions of your app. So think of it as, you have two apps, they're similar and they're connected, but your test version is the app that you're building. So you can have a live version with all the features that your real users are using. And then in the test version, you can be building new features, testing those features on your test version of your app. And then once it's ready, you would deploy that to your live version of the app. And when you hit deploy, then your live version is the same as your test version until you make more changes to your test version and then deploy those new changes. So that's how it works in Bubble. You do have to be upgraded to one of their paid plans to actually upgrade your app to a deployed version. A deployed version is also going to have the ability to be on your own domain, whereas the test version is going to be on Bubble's domain. So I hope that is a helpful explanation of the difference between your test version of Bubble and your live version of Bubble. If you want to learn more about building in Bubble, learn through real projects like building an Airbnb clone, a Bubble clone, AI apps such as a text generation app and an image generation app from the ground up, check out No Code MBA. Go to the link in our description and check out all of our in-depth courses. Again, I hope this was helpful. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave a comment if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next video.